LG continues its search to corner the market in high-end phones with a new entry in its Signature Edition series, through 9 to 5 Google. Started last year with a modified version of the V30, the Signature Edition phones are LG's expensive ceramic devices that run in the $1,800 stadium. The second version, presented today, is basically an LG V35 in a ceramic body. The V35, announced in May for $900, is more or less a G7 ThinQ in the body of a V30. The back of the phone is made of zirconium ceramic, a material that LG says makes it almost scratch-resistant. Like the first model, it will execute 1,999,800 South Korean won, approximately $1,790 USD at current exchange rates. Only 300 units will be manufactured and will go on sale on August 13. This time, you can choose between black and white. You will also receive a free pair of Beoplay H9i headphones from B&O Retail for around $500, which certainly softens the impact of a $1,800 smartphone. You can also have it recorded. As for the specifications of the device, it is the same as the standard V35, Snapdragon 845, 6 GB of RAM, 6 inches Quad HD Plus screen and 256 GB of storage.